Using the cost books. Opening a cost book. The cost books contain all of the Hometech data. To put a cost data in an estimate, you simply open the cost book, tag the items you want, and transfer them into the estimate. You can open a cost book with an estimate open or closed. You can also switch among any of the cost books that you want to use. You can use cost items for different cost books in the same estimate. Changing cost books. Click on one of the 4 cost book icons on the left side of the cost book ribbon to change the active cost book. The title of the active cost book and the currently applied local area modifier are shown in red. We have selected the remodeling cost book in this example. The other cost books function the same way. Click on the remodeling, the house builders, the kitchen, and bath, or the handyman icons on the cost book ribbon. This is what remodeling cost book looks like when it's opened. On this grid, you look for items that you want in the estimate. You will tag those items and transfer them to the estimate. You can add your own custom items to the cost book. You can make changes to the specs and costs in the cost book. The cost book has 2 views, item list view and item detail view. Item list view is used for locating, tagging, and transferring items to an estimate. Item detail view is used to add, edit, or delete the cost items. This training video covers the cost book item list view. Cost book. Now look at the layout of the cost book grid so you can learn how to best use it. The features and functions are assessed using the icons in the ribbon above the cost book grid. The left section of the cost book is divided into 2 areas. The top area is the detailed specification. This spec provides more information about the cost items you have selected. The bottom area is a navigational tool. It shows the 25 Hometech divisions of cost items. Click on one of the divisions and Hometech Advantage will take you to the beginning of the division. The grid contains the cost book itself. The items are organized in division order from 1 to 25. These are the cost book fields. The tag box field is where you can click to place the tag and select an item to be transferred. The item code field shows you the 5-digit Hometech item number or 7-digit user-defined item number. The description field is the cost item description. U of M is the unit of measure. Material, labor, subcontractor, and other are all cost fields. Most Hometech cost items have labor and or material costs. There are a few that have costs in other field. The subcontractor field is not being used by Hometech at this point. Man hours is where the man-hour rate data is stored. User changed is a checkbox that identifies whether you have changed the item or not. Changed items will be highlighted. You can make any changes except item number to any Hometech item. All changes are done in the item detail view. Closed estimate cost books. The remodeling cost book looks like this when there is no estimate open. When an estimate is not open, the icons on the ribbon that are used to transfer items to an estimate are grayed out. Icons that are used for the item detail view are also grayed out when you are in item list view. This is the cost book with an estimate open. Let's look at each command and how the cost book is set up. Transfer tagged items sends tag items to the estimate. This form shows all of the items that have been tagged for transfer. Click on the phase or phases where you want them to go and click Transfer to Estimate. Find cost items. Brings up the cost book index and search screen. You can do a keyword search or an item number search. To go directly to an item when you know the item number, key the item number and press Go button. If search index is checked and the item is in the index for the book selected, the item will appear at the top of the list. Double-click on the item to get to it in the cost book. To search the item descriptions, enter your search in the keyword box. Select the book to search and click Search Items. Double-click on the item you want to get to in the cost book. Transferring items to an assembly is used for adding new items to an existing assembly. Maintaining and assessing assemblies will be covered in a different training video. Changing the local area modifier. To change the local area modifier, click on the Update LAMI Change Area icon in the ribbon. The currently active local area modifier is shown. To change areas, click on the one you want to click and update. All 4 cost books will be updated to the selected local area. Local area modifier features in Advantage 6 are covered in more detail in another training video.